everybody, welcome to Wednesday. Let's go see what we're working on. Toyota Land Cruiser 4-liter. This is the one I did the valves on. I'll put the link in the description. We had a bent valve, wherever it is. Here it is. Didn't clean, so I got him a new valve. We're also doing all the valve guides. These guides, I don't know if you can tell here, look how low some of these got sunk into the heads from the heat. We're lucky he had nitrided stems, or else it would have ruined the valves. Okay, let's get these guides out. First I need one of these. And I'm going to pick out this one. Got a quick release on this instead of that springy thing. Pretty nice. I got air, that's really nice. Always nice to have air to breathe too. I'm going to pick this out. I use this for a height gauge when I put them back in. So let's get them out. Somebody's calling. I told them not to call when I'm filming. They call anyway. Quit calling if that's you. The headstand's on here to give it something to rock against. I'll tell you that. Who is it? We don't know. Glasses on. Gotta wear glasses. Now here's where you just hope they just come right out. Sometimes they don't. Let's see how lucky we are. Let's see how good we are. Nice. I got my guides all out here. These new guys, we got to check and make sure they're the right size. Let's see what the old ones were. I already checked them with calipers. I'm just re-verifying. 353. And the new guides are about a half a thou bigger. I think we'll do good. So let's get them in. I'm going to spray it with something. I prefer this this method bathroom cleaner. Works really well. It's environmentally safe. Let's spray that in there. We'll spray all the valve guides. This is WD-40. I use any kind of container, leftover container. I scrounge. So I'm just going to get them all started. Put my glasses on. I'll get them all started and then we'll do the height. There we go. Put this in my head machine. It's got too much vibration on this table. I got it in my head machine. Well, my little trained assistant over there got it in my head machine. So let's put some guides in it. Those guides went in. The guy that put in, it went in. It's okay. I'm going to just knock a little bit of the leading edge off here. I'll change up the chuck. This keyless chuck is bigger. This keyless chuck puts you in danger if you're drilling or tapping. If it binds, it won't kill faster than that's good. If it binds at all it does is tighten, and then you're screwed. I had some sandpaper, but I lost it. Here it is. Bear with me, people. I'm young. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the leading edge off here. Just a little bit. I'm not measuring it. I'm not doing anything. This part of the guide hangs down through the casting. So all this got to do is pass through. So let me do that. I'll put you on the hyper wiper laps. Hang on, don't get sick. Be very, very careful. Don't get this wrapped up in your fingers, okay? If you don't know what you're doing, don't do this. This is very dangerous. Don't do it. You have to keep the paper separated. See how I'm not letting this touch each other? That thing will get wrapped up in there and your finger will become all kinds of pretzels. That's just no fun. My favorite stuff, not sponsored. I wish you guys would. I drink this like water or beer. I don't drink a lot of beer. I do. Nothing wrong with drinking beer, alcohol. Just try not to overdo it. If you overdo it, then try not to do it again. Okay. So get these foils here. These will evaporate dry. I feel like I'm hooking my hair on. So I'll get these, wash these with my vacuum cleaner. I already oiled all these, so put that over. That's where that goes. Right spot here. Just get it a good angle. Put the gun out of the way. Good, nice, comfortable angle to put them in. You don't want to be up here and down there. It's a comfortable angle, whatever you think's going to work for you. So here we go. Let's try it again. Glasses. Don't forget your glasses, please. Just take seconds to put them on. If you can't see, clean them. Okay, now I'm going to check the valve guide fit. A lot of times they fit, a lot of times you got to ream them. Most importantly, when you put valve guides in something, you have to chamfer each end. I don't care how much clearance you got, without that chamfer it'll hang up. So I'm going to chamfer both sides of the guide, and I'll put you guys on hyperlapse. This job I could use a 315 reamer on the exhaust and the intake because they cut the exhaust a half a thou smaller. I like it when they do that. Sometimes I'll make them the same size. You got to have a different reamer for this one, different pilot. It's just a pain. Okay, I'm starting out with the 45 on the exhaust here. I just got to have it clean all the way around. Now moving on to the intake, same thing, just grind them till they clean. I'm gonna blow it off, spray some graphite on it so I can see what I'm doing. Now the exhaust, we're going on and putting on the 60 and the 30 to narrow up those angles. Now same thing on the intakes. So here we go, this is the 45, this valve's 45. The darkened area, what I use graphite, is the 45 on here. So it's too wide when I grind it, so we do a 30 on the top, 60 on the bottom. That narrows up the angle and it puts us right where we want to land on that valve. We don't want to be off the edge. So let's surface this thing. This thing got really hot. I'm surprised it wasn't cracked. I had to take 8 thousandths off this thing to clean it. Robot fighting time. We're probing 25. That's a good number. I should put some soap on myself because sometimes I really get wet. Okay, I got tumbly springs. Watch this. Okay, should be done. Pull them out. The valves are magically teleported into the head one by one. And that's followed up by the shims. Again, one by one, magically. The valve got oiled, but still I put a little bit of oil on top of the guide and just kind of hammer it down on there. And then magically again, here the seals go on. Now again, here go the springs on, one by one, until it's done. Oh wait, I gotta do the last one. Okay, I got it all done. Customer can get on, get his car running. I'd like to talk to you about this week's sponsor. The people at Hawkins reached out to me, and they're in Canada. Reached out to me and said, hey, we make these cheesies. They're kind of like Cheetos. So let's give them a try. I've got a knife. Oh, that's nice and sharp. Hey, Dave, you want to try a bag? The bag for David. Come on over here. Let's eat them on camera. Tell them what we think of it. Open her up. Here. Ah. Oh, those are good. These are very good. I highly recommend these. They're made by Hawkins in Canada, and they're not sponsored. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. Come back and see me again, okay? We'll be doing something else. Bye.